Hi guys. I bought my dog some Halloween costumes and we're doing a puppy Halloween haul thing. I got them some Halloween themed dog things. But first, we have a sponsorship. Souls thing? I think that's how you say it. So basically, they make all these cool like athletic shoes. These are like jogging shoes. They're very breathable on the top. See? I'm living for this. So if you guys are interested in new jogging shoes or other, they make like boots and stuff too. I will have a link in my description to their little Amazon store. All right, time to dog. I went to Petco. I got a whole bag. I got Halloween costumes. I got Halloween toys. I got Halloween treats for the dogs. They are having a party today. Okay, so which dog is first? Who wants to go first? Here is Lilu, the big one. Hi Lilu. This is Lilu, otherwise known as Ratigan. The costume picked out for Lilu this Halloween is a rat because she literally is an oversized rat. So let's go ahead and try it on Lilu. This might be too small for you because you are thick mama. Lilu, literally, I cannot clasp it, girl. This is the only one. Are you a rat? You rat? Oh my goodness, this is perfect. For Lilu, the toy I got says, sucks to be me. Oh, Ratigan, this is for you. Oh, the rat went under the bed. So for dogs, since he's the best dog in the world, he's gonna be a king. Dogs hates costumes, he hates them. So we got, oh, this is his little shirt. Dude, you're big. Kate. Are you okay? He's gonna hate this so much. Oh my god! Oh my goodness. Look at what I got for you. This is the best thing ever. This is the best video. Dad, I got a toy for you, buddy. It says, witches love me. Except he doesn't care about it. All right, last but not least. Caterpie, our new puppy, if you haven't seen her. Caterpie is gonna be a mermaid. This is actually a cat costume. Hey. Come here. Is this a little like shell bra? Because I think it is. Wait. You're the hardest one because you're so squirmy. Wait, this is your bra. I thought you were a cat. That's your name. We also have a bag of Halloween treats for the doggies. Hey, Dust, do you want a treat? You want a treat? Dubs, treat? All right, here we got, and a pumpkin? You can have a little bat. Got a treat for you, little Ratigan? Right, oh, you didn't like yours? Everyone abandoned it except Caterpie. The candy corn. Nope, okay. Try this one. Has peanut butter. No. Well, that was my dog store Halloween haul. My dogs hated it.